give you my review on these USA baking pans. I'm getting ready to do some of my holiday baking, and I needed some new pans, so I decided to purchase these. And I got to tell you, the first thing I recognized about these is they are so heavy. Just let me give you an idea of how heavy they are. Now, this is a regular, another brand type of pan. And this is normally what you kind of bake with. This pan weighs 8 ounces. This exact same size of pan weighs 1.12 ounces. 1 pound, 12 ounces. That is heavy. Just to give you another idea, this pan weighs 2 pounds, 14 ounces. Another pan in the exact same size weighs 1 pound, 6 ounces. So you might think to yourself, well, what does that really mean? I'll tell you what it means. When I put my cookies on this tray on my middle rack, they're cooking unevenly. The ones in the back are getting cooked faster and burning on the bottom while they're still kind of raw on top. And the ones in the front are cooking on top while they're still kind of raw on the bottom. So they're very uneven. When you have a heavier pan, it is going to distribute the weight or the heat. It's going to distribute the heat more effectively into whatever you're baking. And when you are baking, it is a definite science. It is got to be precise. The other thing about these pans, I don't know if you could see it or not, but these, you can hear it. These are rigid. These are rigid. So your cookies are going to get that, your cookies or whatever you're baking on it really, is going to get that air, that hot air underneath of them. And it's going to make it so they're not so flat like on these type of pans. The other great thing about this pan, and I just have to give a little shout out, these pans were made right down the road from me. This pan, when you purchase this pan, you're keeping my neighbor employed and putting food on his table to feed his kids. Let's keep America working. These are USA built and made right here down the road from me. These are great pans and I support them. The other quick thing about this company is they have a lot of specialty pans. If you're looking for something really unique, they do a lot of different unique type of pans. I can't even get into explaining to you what kind they are, but they're all, if you're always looking for something a little bit different than your standard cookie sheet type of tray, you need to check out USA Pan. And that's just my honest opinion.